Go ahead and take out the old one. That just pops right out. I'm gonna take this and put it on the new one just so I don't have any problems. I got glasses. I have a knife next to me that needs to be put away. Let's see if that fits on there. Hopefully it does. Let's see why it wouldn't. There we go. It's not quite, I guess it's in there. It doesn't feel like it's as strong as it could be. Okay, now I'm gonna slide it. Oh, I gotta take this off first. Gonna go ahead and put this in there. Did you guys hear it all pop in? Kind of sucks that the black is separated. And there it looks. The white on the white is a really close match. Pretty impressed with that. Gonna go ahead and put it up like that. And there we go. Ready to go. Link will be in the description below. I'm gonna go try it on. Thanks for watching. So, I decided to come back before the video ended. I was going between the BOBOVR M2, something like that, version 2, something like that, and this one. This one blew on my eyes for about 5 minutes, and my eyes were dried out. But that wasn't the problem I was having with it. The problem I was having with it was there was this huge distraction. I'm gonna shut this light off and show you guys. See that right there? I'm gonna take my camera on my phone. I'll show you. Look. Can you see that? That light that's coming through them little grills right there, you see that while it's on you, and somehow it to you it looks like there's 2 of them, but it's really a distraction when I'm playing, when I have it on my head, and I just don't like that. I think I'm gonna have to go with a different version. Hopefully that helps someone out, and yeah, thanks for watching.